In recent times, there's been a noticeable trend where creators use anime clips combined with AI voiceovers to share motivational life lessons. These videos are amassing millions of views, but there's a significant risk involved. Using anime clips can lead to copyright issues. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI-generated anime short entirely for free. Let's dive in. Let's start with script writing. For this, we are going to use ChatGPT. If you are unsure how to write a prompt, don't worry. You can simply copy and paste the prompt I will provide in the video description. When it generates the script, ask ChatGPT to write a concise paragraph without explaining the events, and you will get a nicely rewritten script. Next, we need voiceovers. I highly recommend using 11 Labs for this purpose. It's the best and most realistic text-to-speech AI voice generator, and crucially, you can monetize your videos using these voices. Navigate to the Voices option and go to the voice library where you can listen to various AI voices and select the one you like. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the script and paste it here. After that, choose your voice. I recommend choosing a deeper voice, like this one. After all is set, click on the Generate button. Once it's done, click on this download icon to download your voiceover. Now let's generate the video. Open your browser, search for Pika, and click on their website. You will see an interface like this. Here, it is asking for creating an account. Just click on Sign in with Google. Once you create an account, this interface will appear in front of you. Here, you can use their free plan, giving you 250 credits. If you run out, you will get 30 extra credits per day until the next month. To create a video, you can either write a prompt or copy one from the video description. Adjust the frame rate from 24 to 12 to give your video a more anime-like appearance, increase the strength of motion, and press this Generate button. The video will be 3 seconds long, so you'll need to generate multiple clips to match your voiceover's duration. You can use the same prompt to create different videos. Once done, download all your clips. Now it's time to edit the video. You can use any video editor. I will use CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project. Click on this Import button and import all generated anime videos and voiceover. Drag the voiceover to the timeline. Cut all empty parts of your voiceover to make it more engaging. After that, select all your anime clips and drag them to the timeline. Set their duration according to the voiceover. Then click on Ratio and select the 9:16 ratio. Then adjust all clip size like this. Once you finish this, it's time to add captions to make your video more engaging. Click on Text, then click on Auto Captions. Choose your language as English, then click on the Create button. CapCut will generate auto captions for us. Once it is done, choose the best template from here and place the captions in the middle. Click on the Basic tab and adjust the font size. But wait, something is missing. Add background music. Go to Pexels and search for the music you want to add. Make sure to add copyright-free music. Drag the music to the timeline, split the extra part, and then decrease the volume. Now click on the Export button. Let's see the final result.
Think of your mind as a garden. Just as a gardener cultivates their plot, keeping it free from weeds and nurturing flowers, you must cultivate your thoughts. Pull out the weeds of negativity that choke your dreams. Plant seeds of positivity, your hopes and goals, and nurture them with care. Consistent positive actions are the rain that helps your garden grow. No matter the weather outside, your garden can thrive with daily attention. Remember, a well-tended mind like a garden blooms beautifully. Take care of your thoughts, embrace positivity, and watch your life flourish. Start cultivating your thoughts today.
I think it's a great video. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before I go, I would love to hear about your experience creating anime videos with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.